Hi guys, waiting Hopi. Hopi.
This is candy. How did you open this? I'm trying to feel it.
Wow, it looks like a bubble gum.
I think that's how many is inside?
Good.
It's 5. Let's try one. Let's try one. Good. I think it's strawberry.
Yeah.